Hello, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a sports car. It's not a really complicated design like I made in the past, but just a car in the middle, not too easy and not too hard with too much details. It's interesting for younger kids because it has a seat in it, but it only exists out of 3 layers. So the car exists out of 1 thick middle layer and 2 outside layers, which you can cut at the same time with double-sided tape. Now that all the layers are cut out, you can start sanding the parts which are hard to reach when you've glued the car together. Drill 2 7mm holes in the middle layer. This is for the 6mm axles to go through. When you are sure that you've sanded all the hard to reach parts of the car, you can glue the 3 layers together. I'm using a combination of wood glue and super glue. Super glue so it dries fast, and then I can clamp it without slipping. In the meantime, while the glue is drying, you can make your wheels with a hole saw. Now glue in a small piece of wood for the roof, and once that is dry, you can cut it flush on the bandsaw and sand it smooth on the belt sander. And at the end of the process, give the car some more shape on the belt sander and some more hand sanding, and then you are ready to put some finish on it. As the finish, I'm using Rubio Monocoat Oil. You can mix your own colors by mixing them together and make the color you want. I wanted some darker red for this car. It's really easy to apply. Just wipe it on with a rag or a brush or a sponge and wipe it off after 10 to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in one of my new videos or maybe in one of my old videos. Bye!